So every firm has a culture, whether you work to intentionally have a culture or not, you've got one. Those firms who are self-aware know what their culture looks like. And so when you hire for culture and you put an ad out, let's say I'm a paralegal and I'm scrolling through all the paralegal ads that are out there, let's say on Indeed, and I see 10 ads that say, law firm paralegal needed 3 years experience, law firm paralegal needed 2 years experience. But then I get to an ad that says, do you thrive in a work hard, play hard culture? Do you feel passionately about client service? And right away, that ad is different. It catches my attention, but it also sort of gets to the heart of who I am. If I read that ad and I am somebody who thrives in a work hard, play hard culture, then I'm going to respond to that ad. Hopefully there's something in that ad that also says, not just submit your resume, but submit your resume and a brief description of why this job is for you. Well, then that does two things. It gives the firm an idea of who can follow instructions, because you'd be surprised at who doesn't actually follow that instruction. You can sort of weed out those resumes, but it also gives an idea, I have to take the time to write down why I think this job is for me. And so the person looking through those resumes and through those cover letters there can kind of get a sense of who I am as a person. Is what I'm saying here really in line with who the firm is, what the vision of our firm is?